Okay, nou klaar, I'm finished with the smoker. If you stand in, you'll see it on the front here. This is the oven. This is the oven part. And this is where I'm going to make the fire in, on this part here. And this fire goes from here. It's going to pull through there, which is the second stage smoke and heat. And the meat will be here, the pork or the fish would have been here. And then it's going to go up. It's going to go up this chimney here. And I'll be adjusting it here with a valve. This is my valve here, where I'll be adjusting the amount of heat or smoke I want in there. So if I close this, there's a probe, a heat probe here that will show me what temperatures I want to smoke at. And then this one here doesn't have a probe because this is my firebox. So I'm making the fire in here, and then the fire goes through. And then at the bottom here, right at the bottom here, you'll see this is an oven. Also with a heat gauge in there. Can you see at the bottom here, mate? So I'll pull the pin. And then if you look here, this oven is where we can put the bread in. Then we put the bread, the dough in. We close it. And then we put coals on the top here. And there'll be automatic coals at the bottom. And that is the oven which we will be baking the bread in. So what I'm doing now, I'm going to make a fire here because I want to see how the draft is over. This is for an umbrella. If the sun shines, I want to get a big umbrella in here so we can stand underneath here and have a gin and tonic. If it rains, I can still don't have to take my smoker out of the rain. So that's important, as you don't want to stop smoking meat or fish or anything when you have to stop when there's rain or something, because this machine is a bit too heavy to move away. So I'm going to put lighting some blitz here to get this fire going here. And then I want to see if she gets a draft, meaning does she draw well. And that's the most important thing for me now, is because I adjust according to holes at the bottom, but everyone is different on volume. So let me get this in here, and then we'll see how much this machine draws. That's important. I'm going to close the lid now because it's her first burn, so I'm burning her in now. She hasn't had fire in before. She is treated with fire paint. So right now you can see. If she draws well, the smoke should be coming out here just now. And you'll see this temperature meter. Come look at the temperature meter, Mick. It's going, see how it's moving. See the temperature meter? There. Look how this heat is coming up in this chamber. See there? Moving there. Then from here, there'll be heat. There's already heat coming up nicely. So she definitely works well. So she's drawing. That's why the heat gauge is working. So yeah. This is the smoker. These are the ones that fit inside, which we can put vegetables in while I'm smoking. They go underneath the smoking pans, and this is a water pan that goes in the middle like that. And that's to ensure that whatever I'm smoking doesn't dry out, and that there's always a form of moist in the inside. So this is how she's working. So we're going to give her a chance to see that she burn in, and then when she burns in tomorrow, I'll be smoking 3 pork cheeks, and I'll show you how we're smoking the pork cheeks tomorrow. This is on voting day 2020. We've just voted, and 2021. Okay, the cameraman says near 2020, but we voted 2020, now it's 2021. Right. Thank you.